Check this truck out, guys. This is a really neat restoration somebody did. This is a 1964 Chevy C10 Shortbed Step Side. It's kind of got it all going on. It's got these newer retro style wheels. Kind of gives you the classic look on a bigger wheel and tire. The tires are fairly new. They're from 2019. And they're 18-inch wheels. So yeah, this is a really cool truck. For those of you who know C10s, you'll see it does have the curved windshield, but it is titled as a 64. So we're not really sure what happened there, but either way, it is a very nice truck. Inside, it's got recently reupholstered bench seat. This was done at our preferred upholstery shop, Auto Weave in Denver, and they just do outstanding work. This seat came out beautiful. You have a Overdrive automatic transmission. Shifter is located on the floor. You got an aftermarket tilt wheel. You have these awesome aftermarket gauges that are just really cool. They're the Dakato Digital. Fires right up, didn't even have to hit the gas. This is a 292 6-cylinder engine. So this was the big motor that they ran in big full-size C50 trucks to also your regular C10s. This would have been about the late 90s, early 70s when this engine was used. It's got a 4-barrel carburetor, power steering, power brakes, and they are front disc brakes. See if I can find the wipers here. Oh, there's our wipers. No horn. Do have a fan, and this does have a pretty nice stereo system in it. Oh, sorry, that was all static. Wasn't on a channel. Got your ashtray. Brand new Edlebrock ABS carburetor. This engine is tuned up and running fantastic. Tons of low-end torque. The Overdrive automatic transmission paired to it gives it a really unique combo. It'll cruise down the highway, low RPM, smooth as can be. When you hit the gas, it'll downshift and go. Really a fun driver. Don't forget, it's got a heavy-duty aluminum radiator too. Keeps that motor real cool. Paint and body on this truck is fantastic. It's got an awesome teal paint color to it. The doors close nice and easy. Fuel filler has been relocated to the bed. So if you're interested in this truck, please give us a call or go to our website. It's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have about 80 high-resolution photos on there, including detailed photos of the undercarriage. It is also just as clean under there as it is up top. And yeah, give us a call if you're interested. Thanks.